Welcome! Let's learn how Inspire can help you optimize your print part's orientation. Before you begin, you will need to open the SLM ribbon, select your print part, and configure your printer. Once that's done, select the orientation icon in the SLM ribbon. The orientation optimization window opens on the right of the workspace. The orientation table opens as well. There are several ways to optimize your part's orientation, depending on your priorities. The simplest way is to click the Min button under the factor that's most important to you. For example, if your top priority is a quick print time, click the Min button under Time. You can also click a dark green area in any of the heat maps to optimize the part for that factor. Use the average heat map at the top of the orientation optimization window if you want to optimize your part's orientation with respect to all three factors. If some factors are less important than others, you can use the blue sliders to deprioritize those factors in the average heat map. Notice that the colors on the average heat map have changed. You may find it helpful to save more than one orientation for easy comparison. Click the Save icon in the orientation table. The current orientation appears in the table. If you wish, you can rename the saved orientation. Inspire will retain all of your saved orientations so you can easily run simulations on each of them and compare the data.